Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'll speak a little bit quiet, but I'll boost the volume in editing. I have just arrived into Edinburgh and I am at the Hub by Premier Inn at Haymarket, and I've picked a slightly bigger room than normal. I do have a room tour of a smaller room at King's Cross in London. I'll leave the playlist down below to my hotel room tours around the UK. I am here at room 106, right here. And this panel here can be controlled from the inside. So we're going to get in the room and I'm going to show you around. Now, the good thing about these rooms is you don't actually need to put the key card in for the lights to come on. Now, the rooms are compact. That is the whole point of the Hub rooms. The back of the door has all your safety information. You can see a little reflection of me. And this is the English section here. I'm guessing you've got French and then another language here. Possibly German from the looks of it. You have aircon/heater, but I will show you the control panels when I get to the bed section. But first, when you come to the left, you have the bathroom. Now we have this big frosted glass door, frosted about 2/3 of the way up. If we come in, you have the massive shower, and these waterfall heads are amazing, but you also have a normal shower head here as well. You also have your built-in shower gel, and the bath mat is literally on the floor, and the door of course closes, and they're nice big showers. Ooh. And you've got a little shelf here for your own toiletries as well. To the left of that you have the big mirror. Hello, there's me. Hand soap, very nice, just used it. And you've got your hand towel and your larger towel. You have your sink, toilet roll, spare toilet roll. Oh, this is huge. And then it says, psst, the bin's in here, which it is. When we leave the bathroom, right opposite, we have the room key I put down just before, the room number 106, my AirPods, and the first of many, many plugs. You have, of course, a built-in hairdryer. I don't know how it'll work or how well it will be, but it's there if you need it. You then have a mirror. Oh, sneak peek of the bed. Got the big mirror. And behind here, you actually have a 2-leveled wardrobe, which I think is really great for space saving. So you could have your shirts, jackets, etc. up there, maybe trousers, skirts, dresses, dependent on length, in other places. And there seems to be plenty of hangers as well, especially ones for trousers, as I said as well. And I've just popped my suitcase and bag in here. If we follow along from here, we have a large Samsung TV. And 2 double plug sockets. You've got one here and one here as well with another light. And we also have a desk that has 2 drawers. These are both empty. I have already double checked them. And our complimentary bottle of water. I do wonder if you get one every day. I am here for 2 nights. And then this chair can pull round and you have your own desk area. My view out the window is literally off the front of the hotel. So this is the street that I came along, and it took 5 minutes to walk to from Haymarket train station, so it did not take long at all and was super easy to find. And you do have a big blind that will come all the way to the floor. Now if I spin round to the left, we have the bed. Now if you're aware of how big the Hub hotel rooms are, normally when you have the bed, you don't have space either side of it, you only have space on one side. And I would say personally, they're only really for one person or somebody that you don't mind getting up close and personal with, because the rooms are usually quite small. Now up on the wall, we have Edinburgh, lots of different streets. As you can see here, we've got the Castle, Queen Street, George Street, Rose Street. I'm trying to figure out, there's Haymarket there, so that's the side I'm on. But I'm not that great with Edinburgh, so it doesn't mean much to me, but there's Waverley Station as well. We'll go up closer here. So there's a plug either side of the bed here, and another one over in that little cubby hole. And then you have the control panels. So I have the lights on at full volume, but we can't knock them down. Oh, let's try again. And then even lower. There's reading lights. Ooh. Oh, they're like spotlights right above. Okay, that's cool. And then this here, we'll put a do not disturb on the light up sign on the outside of the door as well. And then this obviously controls your aircon and heating system. It is blowing out hot air at the moment. I'll go back to full light. There we go. Now the bed, as you can see, comes with 2 pillows, and they always have the quilt rolled up for some reason. I'm not entirely sure why. And then here's the remote, so I'll just pop that to the side. And that is like that. There is space under the bed down here. And we also seem to have, oh, a drawer as well. So an open space and a drawer. It's closed on this side and it's closed on that side. But as I say, you've got a double space to pop stuff out of sight, out of mind. And one final thing I forgot about, bottle opener attached to the wall. A lot of the Premier Inns, travel lodges, etc. have these now, and it's a nice touch if you are maybe here for a little bit of a drinking weekend. And that, folks, brings us to the end of the room tour. Short but sweet, as always with these types of room tours, especially when the rooms are small and compact. But I did like the fact that I paid the extra to have the space either side of the bed. And the bathroom actually has a solid wall. I never mentioned that. In the smaller room in London at King's Cross, it was glass the whole way around, and I actually prefer that there's a wall here because it doesn't make it feel so open, which is nice. So yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up for me. Comment down below, as always, if you've stayed here before or whether you want to come up to Edinburgh. It's a nice hotel. Also, don't forget to hit the big red subscribe button down below and tinkle that bell so you are notified every time a video goes live. And that's it. I've been Disney Matt. Thank you so much for watching, folks, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye for now.